We cannot avoid certain kind of situations. We have to move on with our life. COVID is not the end of life. See, with respect to the increase, there's a slight increase of COVID-19 cases that's happening for last some 2 or 3 weeks. That's been happening. An increasing trend has been observed. Now, every disease, it's like it has a fluctuating nature, a seasonality. Then sometimes the things keep on coming up. Same applies with COVID. तो हम पहले कुछ टाइम पहले देख रहे थे कि it has had a decreasing trend. Now again we have an increasing trend and कुछ टाइम से काफ़ी कुछ केसेस आ रहे हैं लाइक पर डे 10-15 केसेस इंक्रीज होते आ रहे थे तो अब अराउंड 300 केसेस वी हैव ऑन बोर्ड पर डे. नाउ देयर नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व टू इट कि क्यों केसेस इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. तो इसमें मैं अगेन द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स दैट आर टू बी फोकस्ड उन पे ज़रा ध्यान लाना चाहूँगा कि दरअसल मास्क अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें मास्क पहनना लोगों ने काफ़ी हद तक छोड़ दिया है. देन दिस हैंड वॉशिंग पीपल आर डिसेंसिटाइज्ड. पहले जब कोविड आया कश्मीर में दाखिल हुआ तो उस टाइम पे भी it took some time for people to get adjusted with the new preventive measures that we have to take on board. Now again I'll request कि जो preventive measures हैं and especially the most important among them being wearing a mask, those kind of measures are to be started again and to be followed in letter and spirit. I understand any kind of a crowded place, if it's in a closed vicinity, अगर कहीं open place पे भी एक साथ लोग कहीं जमा हो जाते हैं तो it's a risky area where there's a higher chance of higher risk of transmission of the infection. तो again इंसान एक अल्लाह ताला ने इंसान को फहम बख्शा हुआ है तो लोगों को खुद ऐसे कुछ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स फॉलो करने चाहिए जो कि ऑलरेडी बताए गए हैं. Now, if we cannot avoid certain kind of situations, we have to move on with our life. COVID is not the end of life, okay? But we have to use whatever is in our hand in order to take those preventive measures, and the mask being the most important out of those. And again, पहले पिछले साल हमारे पास कुछ बाकी ऐसे कुछ measures नहीं थे. For example, vaccination. Vaccination did not exist last year. But now we have this wonderful invention for prevention of this COVID-19 and all, and its control, and that's vaccine. And I'll advise, since government is providing for these vaccines at health centers, and now they've rolled out it for people who are above 45 years of age. So I'll request people should get vaccinated and wear their mask and follow all the preventive measures like maintaining the physical distance and all. In any setting, whether it's a closed setting, whether it's an open setting, those preventive measures वो अभी भी follow करने की जरूरत है. So अगर आप observe करेंगे when rollback strategy was launched all over for different stakeholders, for different offices and all, तो इसी तरीके से phase wise all kind of offices, departments were opened. Now the only thing that we were lagging behind was education. तो अब education में why should we see, we need to understand and measure the pros and cons. हम क्यों पीछे रह जाएं एजुकेशन को लेके. मैं समझता हूं कि उसमें जो हमारी कैटेगरी, एज कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल है, सम आर इजीली अंडरस्टैंडिंग, some they don't have that wisdom to understand the preventive measures and all. But education should not be stopped. I agree कि जो ये measures हैं they were already put up in the guidelines. कहीं पे अगर like they have increase of cases and all, then that particular educational facility or any facility can be temporarily for some days can be stopped or paused and then again reinstated. So वो measures जो हैं वो concurrently life के साथ चलते ही रहेंगे जैसे पहले भी चल रहे थे. अगर पिछले साल आपको याद होगा जब कहीं पे भी कोई केस नजर आ जाता था तो उस प्लेस को सैनिटाइज वगैरह किया जाता था. Similarly those measures needs to be taken and taken care of now even. तो मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि फुल ब्लोन किसी भी फैसिलिटी को बंद कर देना हमेशा के लिए इज अ सोल्यूशन टू इट. इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ. कोविड इज अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ. So I don't think it's a relevant way that we stop that particular facility for a long period of time and make things and make our people suffer because of that. Whenever a public health disease is coming up in a particular place in a community, so we always use a multimodal approach. तो उसमें we raise awareness and that awareness generation campaign has been going right from last 1 year. ठीक है. तो उसमें लोगों को ऑलरेडी मालूम है कि क्या एहतियाती तदाबीरें उनको फॉलो करने की ज़रूरत है. उसमें again same thing I'll reiterate, wearing up a mask is there and maintaining that physical distancing and all. Now since we observed that for some time people were desensitized to that, so for that matter, some reinforcement was required. Now, sometimes when people don't follow, some kind of measures or stern measures are need to be taken, wherein this imposing of fine in different measures where not people are not wearing a mask, it becomes an essentiality. I'll again request and our own people that they should be following such kind of measures. Just be हद तक वो फॉलो कर सकें कि एक मास्क पहनना है खासकर, तो वो फॉलो करें. आई मीन लाइक पीपल शुड आल्सो गेट कोऑपरेटिव टू ईच अदर एंड दे शुड फॉलो दीज मेजर्स जहाँ पे भी दे कैन ब्रेक अप दिस ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इन्फेक्शन एंड द वायरस. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेरिएंट्स ऑफ concern or variants, see, we have not clearly been able to establish as per now कि variants किस हद तक मौजूद हैं कि नहीं है, but there is a robust system the sampling surveillance होती रहती है, और those samples are being sent to particular place for testing, for identifying the variants. That process is going on. Now even if there is a variant that is being found out कि जो कहीं किसी बैरूनी मुल्क का है, ऐसा हमें लगता है कि का serious concern है, it's being projected in media, that's a very serious determinant and all. Even after that, the measures that need to be taken are same wearing of mask, we are maintaining physical distance and all, and we are actively looking into it कि कोई variants वगैरह जो है जो seriously problem create कर सकता है or is really a point of concern, we are into it, we are having a look at it. I'll again reiterate the same thing that I've done number of times. The message for the general public will be please wear your mask, get yourself vaccinated, especially now since it's rolled over to all people above 45 years of age. Get vaccinated. There are lots of myths and misconceptions with regard to the vaccine. But if we summarize down the line, हमारे पास क्या measures हैं in order to fight this virus, vaccine would be the topmost right now. And obviously with that, I will say the wearing of a mask. That's also most important. So these two measures needs to be taken care of, and with that, hopefully, we'll be able to get control over this COVID-19.